Okay, so the pieces are cut. I'll give you an idea of what it's going to look like. So see that bottom board? That's going to be elevated about 1.5 inches. That's where the shot glasses will drop right in to the holes that we're going to make on top. See all these very, very sharp corners right there? All of that is going to be rounded off with the 60 grit sandpaper. And then at the end, I'll go ahead and sand everything through after everything's glued and nailed in. And we're ready for stain. So it's going to be a cool little project. And I enjoy doing these things, and it'll only take a couple hours. So hope you enjoyed this little build.